All right, Rob Frazier here. A discovery that I recently found out is that you could easily stake coins on Kraken. Kraken is a centralized exchange. It is not a decentralized exchange, so that is something to keep in mind. Also, this is not investment advice. Consult your tax guy, consult your mom, dad, kid, spouse, pray, fast, whatever. Do everything you need to do, but just don't say that Rob Frazier guy told me. I'm just simply sharing different things that I'm learning. So, recently discovered you could stake crypto coins on the Kraken centralized exchange, even if you live in California. One thing that has happened to me in the past is I could no longer stake coins on Coinbase because I live in California, and I recently discovered through Kraken you still can stake coins. Make sure you do your taxes, consult professionals, your accountant, mom, dad, priest, preacher, whoever. What I simply do is 45% of the money that I have available for staking crypto, I put into blue chip coins. Coins such as Bitcoin. Actually, I don't even do Bitcoin. The only thing I really stake, me personally, is Ethereum. Ethereum all the way, 2.2%, 2.24 APY. So that means if you have $1,000 at the end of the year, you're going to have 2.24 extra percent on top of that just for holding. So if you're bullish on crypto, meaning you believe that the value is going to go up, I am bullish on crypto. I believe that the overall value is going to go up. Holding it is one thing, but staking it, you'll get an extra 2.24% if you're doing Ethereum on top of that. 35% of the money that I have for staking will usually go in your stable coins. And so you can also see that the blue chip, Ethereum 2.24, Bitcoin 1.27, those APYs are very low. The stable coins are a little higher. There's a lot more lending. There's a deeper story behind that. So some of my favorites, USDC, which is pegged to the US dollar, 5.47 APY. So that means if you have $1,000 in USDC staking, at the end of the year, you're going to have an extra 5.47% on top of that. Or Solana. That's another one, 5.29%. So that's about 80% of the money that I have available for staking. And the last 20%, I call it the moonshot. Basically, some of these higher APYs, Cosmo, Dimension. There's a few other different coins that I'm kind of looking at, Monad. They have higher APYs. Now, a lot of that, there's different reasons for. I'm not really going to get into that in this video, but 20% of the money that I use for staking goes into these higher coins. So basically, these APYs can fluctuate. If Cosmos is right now 20.7, what if the whole crypto market takes a huge dip? Then these APYs will super fluctuate and things like that. Also, I will say, staking, there's a couple of things to pay attention to, and I will share that in the next video. But this is just something that I've recently discovered. I've written off staking because I lived in California and I couldn't stake through Coinbase. And that's before I even discovered decentralized finance. So that being said, wrapping this video up. Underneath this video, I'll include a link to Kraken and also my referral code. Set up a free account, kick a few bucks over here every single week. It's very simple. You pick whatever coin you want to stake or buy. You buy that coin, and then after you buy it, you'll see a little button that pops up that says allocate, and then you can just go ahead and click allocate and follow the steps from there. My next video, I'm going to get into how to stake, and we're simply just going to start here. Also, a tiny little background about me. I've been in affiliate marketing for 10 plus years. I've had multiple six-figure years. I've came crashing down off the mountain multiple times, meaning went from marketing zero to marketing hero to marketing zero. And because of crypto scams, which took out my confidence, took out my following. I stopped doing content. I stopped doing a lot of different things. But really getting back into crypto and discovering decentralized finance and discovering staking, lending, liquidity providing, even to a lesser degree trading. There's many ways to make money with this, and I fully believe that this is the new quote-unquote broke man's plan for recovering financially. Staking is one of those things. It's just one aspect. Now, just because I also talk about crypto, I still believe in gold and silver, and I still believe in traditional finance, like actual stocks and things like that. So that's where all of my content's going to start going here in the future. Any which way, wishing you all the utmost success, and take 7%, 6%, 5% of the total amount of money you have to invest, and maybe kick some over here and start staking some coins, see what happens. Any which way, name's Rob Frazier, link is below. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more.